Welcome to Scene 1, Introduction to Affiliate Marketing. Are you ready to uncover the secret blueprint that can change your life? Affiliate marketing, the art of promoting products and earning commissions, holds incredible potential as a source of income. In this scene, we will delve into the basic principles and benefits of affiliate marketing. Imagine earning passive income while enjoying flexible working hours and unlimited earning potential. Witness real success stories of individuals who have found financial freedom through affiliate marketing. Get inspired as we explore their journeys and discover how you too can unlock this amazing opportunity. Get ready to embark on an extraordinary adventure. Welcome to Scene 2, Finding the Right Affiliate Program. Are you ready to uncover the secrets to choosing the perfect path to success? In this scene, we will guide you on how to select a profitable niche and find the ideal affiliate program. Market research and competition analysis are crucial elements in this journey. Learn the art of evaluating affiliate programs based on commission rates, product relevance, and reputation. We'll showcase examples of successful affiliate programs across various industries to inspire you. Get ready to discover the hidden gems that can lead you to affiliate marketing greatness. Let's embark on this exciting quest together. Welcome to Scene 3, Building a Website and Creating Content. In the world of affiliate marketing, a well-designed website and compelling content are like the keys to a treasure trove. In this scene, we'll explain the significance of these elements and guide you through the essential steps. Learn how to set up a website, choose a captivating domain name, and design an appealing layout that entices your audience. Discover the secrets to creating valuable content that not only attracts but also engages your target audience. Along the way, we'll showcase examples of successful affiliate websites that have mastered this art. Get ready to unlock the power of website building and content creation. Welcome to Scene 4, Drive Traffic and Generate Leads. Ready to unlock the secrets of driving massive traffic to your affiliate website and generating valuable leads? In this scene, we'll reveal a variety of strategies to help you achieve exactly that. Learn about the importance of SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and even paid advertising. We'll provide practical tips on optimizing your website content for search engines, leveraging the power of different social media platforms, and implementing effective lead generation tactics. Get ready to unleash the potential of your affiliate marketing business and watch the traffic flood in. Let's dive into the world of driving traffic and generating leads. Welcome to Scene 5, Scale Up and Maximize Affiliate Income. Are you ready to take your affiliate marketing business to new heights and unlock the full potential of your income? In this scene, we'll reveal advanced techniques to help you scale up your operations and maximize your affiliate income. Learn about building an email list, creating effective sales funnels, and exploring joint ventures. These methods can propel your business to new levels of success. Be inspired by real success stories of affiliate marketers who have achieved significant financial milestones by implementing these techniques. Get ready to soar above the competition and achieve your wildest affiliate marketing dreams.